The SAP kernel is the core software layer of the SAP system that is responsible for executing and managing the essential tasks that allow the SAP system to function. It acts as the interface between SAP applications and the underlying operating system, and it plays a critical role in ensuring that SAP works smoothly. The SAP kernel manages system processes and user requests. It is responsible for controlling the flow of data between SAP's application layer, the database, and the operating system. It contains programs and services that are required for SAP to run and interact with the system hardware and software. The processes handled by the kernel include DISP plus work, which is the SAP dispatcher that handles incoming user requests, directs them to the correct work process, and monitors their execution. The message server, MSG JOC server, is responsible for handling communication between different SAP application servers, ensuring that all SAP servers can share data and requests properly. The central process engine, SAP CPE, manages and controls the startup and shutdown of SAP system components. The enqueue server, ENQ, handles database locks to prevent multiple users from modifying the same data at the same time, ensuring data consistency. The kernel communicates directly with the operating system to access memory, CPU, disk, and network resources. It acts as a translator between SAP's application layer and the underlying system resources. The kernel contains several executable programs, like DISP plus work, MSG server, ENQ, etc., that carry out the tasks mentioned above. It also includes shared libraries, which are reusable pieces of code that provide functions for various tasks within the SAP system. The kernel contains components that ensure proper communication between SAP and the operating system, such as handling memory management and process management. The kernel plays a critical role in ensuring that the SAP system runs efficiently, optimizes system resources, and maintains system stability. SAP kernel updates, like upgrading to a new version, are often necessary to improve system performance, add new features, or fix security vulnerabilities. The standard SAP kernel is used in most environments and supports regular business operations, while the extended kernel includes additional functionality, such as support for additional languages or specific industry solutions. The SAP kernel files are typically stored in the USR SAP SOS run directory on Unix Linux systems and on Windows systems. They are usually located in C, USR, SAP, SOS, and run. Newer versions of the kernel offer improvements in performance, such as faster data processing and reduced system resource usage. Regular updates are necessary to fix known vulnerabilities and ensure the system is secure. Kernel updates fix issues and bugs that can cause system instability or unexpected behavior. Upgrading the kernel is required when new SAP features or technologies are introduced, ensuring compatibility and support for these features. The kernel is updated using support packages or patch levels. During the update process, new executable files and libraries are installed on the system, and outdated or faulty versions are replaced. In simple terms, the SAP kernel is the brain of the SAP system. It runs all the important processes, handles requests, manages data flow between SAP and the operating system, and ensures that everything works efficiently. It's responsible for keeping everything running smoothly in SAP, and it needs to be updated regularly for better performance, security, and stability.